Hello, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, depending on where you are located. I finally get monetized, and today I am going to share with you the life of my channel and how I get there, and I also bring some advices for you if you are a beginner. If you just started, I wanna let you know. So if you just started, I want to let you know so you can do it. And also, I want to take advantage to let you know every start from everyone starts from zero. Okay, so the key is to start and never stop. Let me tell you why. Because in the beginning, you can be discouraged, but one thing I need you to know: don't focus on numbers. Focus on improving one video at a time. I'm going to tell you why. And also, your first video won't be perfect. It won't get views as well, but it won't be perfect. But it will be your most important one because it's the beginning. So, if today I do it, if I can do it, you can do it too. And I want to let you know every big YouTuber was once a beginner with zero views. So every single YouTuber that you're seeing right now who becomes a great YouTuber, everyone speaks about. Once upon a time, there was one beginner with zero views. And don't wait for the perfect moment. I want you to create it. Create it. Don't wait for it. Create it. And remember, every single day, your small progress today is the key or is the foundation for your big success tomorrow. So, if today I finally get monetized, you can do it as well. You can do it. And you can do it better than me. Because when I first started, um, there are a few things I didn't know, and now you have better tool. You have ChatGPT. You have bunch of AI tools that can help you to improve your thumbnails, your videos. So today is the perfect moment to start. Don't say I will do it later. Start today. So I just wanted to share with you these words before I reveal how much YouTube pays me for my first paycheck, how much I got, and so that can help you to improve, and that can encourage you. If you were about to stop, I want to let you know, don't stop. Continue. Keep believing, and you can do it. First, let's dive into the life of this channel. Since I have it created, I get an amount over 513,000 views. It is in French. I got an amount over 31,000 hours, which is watch hours. And right now, I have 3,000 over 3,600 subscribers. And now, I'm going to show you how much I get paid. But this amount I'm going to show you, it's not for the entire views that I have because due to some issues, I got stopped and because I wasn't able to provide all the documentation required. So because of that, the monetization was stopped. Until now, I need to start it over. I spent a long time. I couldn't submit all the documentations required for this monetization to be continued. Now, I'm going to show you that. I know it's not a lot. I know it's not a lot, but it means something. And I'm going to even take advantage to convert this amount with the place I'm living, because I'm not in the US, and you will see. This is how much I get paid for my first paycheck, and where I'm living right now, for $1. This is how much you need. Okay, this is how much I have for $1, and when I convert this current amount, $356.45, when I multiply it by 59.2 cents, this is how much I get paid. $21,030, $37.06. This is how much I just received from YouTube for my first paycheck. I was extremely surprised, and I want to take advantage to thanks all of you who supported me, who liked, subscribed to this channel. You helped me, and thank you so much. And if you are a beginner, you are watching today, I want to let you know, don't stop. Keep believing you can do it. If I do it, you can do it. You can do it. And remember, you can do it better than me. Peace. Have a good one.